EdgeTech, a leader in underwater high-resolution sonar imaging, is proud to introduce the new 4600. EdgeTech's 4600 is a combined, fully integrated swath bathymetry and side-scan sonar system. The 4600 produces real-time, high-resolution 3D maps of the sea floor while providing co-registered simultaneous side-scan and bathymetric data. The EdgeTech 4600, an interferometric phase differencing sonar, provides the unique ability of capturing bathymetric data like a traditional multibeam, while simultaneously recording high-resolution side-scan sonar imagery like a traditional side-scan. As you can see from this screen capture from a recent survey off the coast of Florida, the coverage mapper is on the right side of the screen, bathymetry data is in the center, and side-scan imagery is on the left side of the screen. In this case, we are imaging a barge that lies on the sea floor. Another unique feature of the EdgeTech 4600 is the long transducer arrays on either side of the subsea unit. Long arrays provide superior quality, high-resolution side-scan imagery when compared to short array systems. The 4600 has two 30-inch long arrays, one port and one starboard. Each array is constructed using 9 independent longitudinal PZT elements. One of these is strictly used for the transmit function, and the remaining 8 elements make up the receiver. These 8 elements make up a half-wavelength spaced array of sensors, which are connected to 8 independent receive channels per side, and are used for the phase measurement and differencing calculations. Selected sub-elements of each array are used to form the side-scan display data. A built-in high-accuracy sound velocity sensor is integrated into the nose of the system. Sound velocity measurements are acquired using this SVP sensor and are applied to correct the raw data and navigation records. Unlike traditional multibeams that have a limited viewing angle in shallow water operations, the 4600 provides users with up to a 200-degree viewing window. The 4600 systems, with larger swath widths compared to multi-beam systems, decrease the amount of time and effort it takes to complete a shallow water hydrographic survey. Sensor integration is important in all interferometric phase differencing sonars. The EdgeTech 4600 provides a platform for hassle-free sensor synchronization. Position, heading, motion, and sound velocity information is input directly into the 4600 system, where it is synchronized for an accurate utilization in the resulting data files. EdgeTech's 4600 technology is unique in many other ways as well. EdgeTech has the distinctive capability of utilizing CW and chirp pulses to optimize image resolution based on the survey parameters. EdgeTech's full-spectrum signal processing features provide a significant signal-to-noise ratio improvement in the acoustic image generated. One of the outstanding aspects of full-spectrum signal processing is the use of a broad bandwidth transmitting pulse that sweeps out over a range of frequencies. This generates a great deal of acoustic energy in the water. Instead of trying to operate with one very sharp acoustic peak pulse, like conventional CW systems, the full-spectrum sonars spread the transmission out over a long time duration. In addition to the resolution improvement, the process of correlation processing achieves a signal processing gain over the background noise. This gain is approximately 10 times the log of the time bandwidth product. To equal the typical performance of the full-spectrum sonar pulse, conventional pulsed sonar would have to operate at a peak pulse power 100 times larger than the full spectrum pulse. The 4600 system also is available in a multi-pulse version. Conventional side-scan sonar systems are limited in transmit-receive cycle times by the sound propagation velocity of 1500 meters per second. Following the transmit pulse, the sonar system has to wait for the reception of the echo data from the farthest range before the cycle can repeat. This restriction results in ping rates that are adversely affected by range and can severely limit the tow speed of the sonar, and therefore slowing the overall total survey time. Multi-ping sonar can transmit pulses during normal reception without any cross-pulse interference. This technique allows sonar ping repetition rates at 2, 3, and even 4 times faster than those achievable with standard sonar. This higher ping rate is accomplished without sacrificing a long track resolution and is available at a lower cost than multi-beam technology. As you can see from this graphical representation, overall survey speeds increase with the added capability of multi-pulse. Another exciting differentiator between the 4600 and other more basic interferometric systems is its ability to cover the nadir gap, that center portion under the sonar system that often gets omitted from the image and requires overlapping survey lines. During this comprehensive survey, the co-registered side scan data is also being collected. As noted previously, but worth repeating, there are 8 receiving channels per side on the 4600 system. The underwater component contains all the required items for the acoustic transmission and reception of the multi-channel side scan data. Digitizing, pre-processing, including de-chirping and pulse compression, time stamping, and digital transmission of this data via 100 megabit Ethernet to the topside computer. Moving to the 4600 specifications, a number of items are highlighted. The system operates with both CW and chirp pulses to maximize performance in all operating conditions. A cross-track resolution is up to 3 centimeters with a ping rate of up to 30 Hz. Vertical resolution is specified at 5 centimeters. The system is available in 2 frequencies. The 230 kHz offers deeper water operations down to 120 meters for the pole-mounted system, while the 540 kHz offers even higher resolution but is recommended for water depths not exceeding 50 meters. At 10 to 12 times the water depth, the bathymetric coverage swath is 350 meters for the 230 kHz system and is 150 meters for the 540 kHz system. Side scan swath coverage is 450 meters and 250 respectively. Side scan sonar range resolution is an impressive 2 centimeters for the 540 kHz system. The expertly constructed aluminum towfish is 120 centimeters long and 23 centimeters in diameter. The unit weighs 44 kilograms and requires 100 watts, 48 volts DC. Operating on the Windows 7 operating system, dual 21-inch monitors are provided with the system for best viewing. There are many benefits of the EdgeTech 4600. As touched upon in the technical description previously, the system provides bathymetric swaths up to 12 times the water depth. There are no void nadir gaps that require resurveying. The high quality of data collected at the time of survey results in less processing time. There is a relatively lower cost of ownership for this system when compared to competing systems. And every system comes with EdgeTech's top-notch, around-the-clock support. As you can see from this animation, in shallow water the survey coverage of the 4600 is much greater than that of a typical multi-beam in the same environment. This results in an overall more efficient and effective survey. As noted and depicted in the next animation, there is no noticeable nadir gap during the 4600 survey. On the left, you will note that a typical system leaves a blank directly under the sonar that requires timely overlapping in survey lines. On the right of the screen, you can see how the 4600 covers the entire swath, even that area right underneath the boat and sonar system. Quality data is collected at the time of the survey. As noted in this actual data sample, the 4600 requires minimum editing once the survey is complete. The clean, raw data file is an attribute of the system that every operator will enjoy. Cost of ownership is always of paramount importance to our users. When it comes to our customers' performance equations, the 4600 provides great value. The system covers more area in less time, requires less post-processing, negates the need for overlapping surveys, and increases the efficiency and safety of surveys when operating in shallow waters. For quotes and additional information, please call us at 508-291-0057 or email us at sales@edgetech.com. EdgeTech continues to offer 24/7 support on this and all of our Sonar products. Contact us today or email service@edgetech.com. EdgeTech, clearly superior imaging.